only about creation of jobs.
No. Let me give you an example, my senior. You see, right now, nurses who have the
NDC amemo boni na na egusu bo hu de rochire nkrofo no. E kire Ghana for se Mahama mpokura be ye president na nya ba omia. Sebi papa we ya ono ka kire Ghana for so you join funu kura be ye president. Imagine this man. Sebi odi nkokon ketingete voice. Unim se enkokon na se yeso ankokon omumukrom hoton, right? Bibi awo no. Yes, one cocoa right? How much do they sell those poultry chicks?
yeah, that's a 45 or 50 or something.
And yeah, woman, you know.
The small ones.
They would no, yeah.
They would. Just
26. Depend the type of egugun.
Okay.
And brothers no yeah 22 cities.
Yeah. And this in Mahama, almost tons no 67 Ghana cedis, they are Ghana for, they are buying 3 million. And we all know, says a word to idea a year in bulk, yet so you reducing the price. So how come send me got idea back? Yeah, the remember 22 cedis. Your father said the highest is 22. And remember 22 cedis. Now, Obia Okakotono 3 million. We had the amount of 67 cedis. Minty be that. This shows to say NDC a memono or moya cron for NDC.
Answer no. Say owo abrochiri anase owo Ghana ha. Na oye program bi ete say engagement, wedding anase funeral. Na ope obi a obeba betwa video no ede ama anase oba betwa pictures na me kire quality videos anase quality pictures a enfo wani enchirem ewo ba bia say cam hacks. Number no na eda screen ne so no. Na juma ho etwa yi papa Ghana ha ba bia wo bia wo frɛ na obeba abetwa wo program no e de amount
this ya buy akron for some one or me same way omo robbing here from the pad issue pad so sa omo de ba kuma 25 Ghana cedis meanwhile no pad no omo chiche no e pad a ton Ghana ha 7 Ghana cedis and so omo de ba kuma 25 Ghana cedis meaning enkofo we fa quite 3 kwan so e de wi Ghana for as say Ghana for say beside we entumi embo my Ghana baby Mahama pempenso de Ghana duru pempenso de Ghana kono no nko na NDC for ne bo abra sebi o unnecessary for eti ho no muni omunti omuka teachers for ye nti omuka enso so gold board sika na motimunya enso sense ka no nyina we fa ye de koye niema ehu hia niema emfa so papa bia anye den embre o my Ghana eno na sebi o NDC for ye na ye hwe sa memo we ya omu bua enya memo papa de omo aka ne so pompi sika gu system ni mu na dollar ne swate enim say dollar ne so tete sa na omo pompi sika gu so ne hu so sanso so be den ebeba bi de mi hu a memo bonnet se Mahama memo da and sebi Ghana for at the end of 2028 e be nu ye ho na me say Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia will lead the NPP and then we will win 2028 elections because sebi he is a man of rich ideas. Papa we digitalization obey ya Mahama muka etwa na mpoa nyina ne Mahama se digitalization eye. The drone service obey ya muka se betwa naked pictures nyina no enne drone service no Sam George na fusa brass band no kujina ho no mo a we ye de say Allah say drone service no Bawumia ye ni nyina. Nema Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia be ye nyina gold purchasing and the gold board the gold omenya. It's a gold purchasing program na Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia de to akwan mu no aye adwuma yempe doctor ne yepe hwan me kan for doctor mo bibia se nya me adom a yekoto about the 1st January obi anim se doctor order number 3 ono anso ne yede ne ko ehwe nchenchen koto aba mo obia doctor o kan fiti suru a oye 3 fiti ase 3 we ko ha ho sa ye den obia to aba na 3 wo ko koto aba hwan
We need the a motivation whatever
motivation fee
na fee no. It was counterproductive. Say your friend saying Brian we are Kawanya Sadia. Oh yes, it was counterproductive. What I say? Because he rather he caused more damage. Now, what's your name?
I like your view.
Yes, it was counterproductive because if he hadn't done that, I'm saying better. Because what this kind of command on, he rather came to do more damage. Oh, and he, but when him wanting, as the MPP, aside the fact to say the party is now in comatose. What I mean is, the party is the mother party. No, I'm talking about from my friends, national executive down to whoever. The party is in coma. AYɛka leadership crisis. It's almost as if the party only exists by name. Oh, say yeah, aspirant friends saying contester. Does it mean that the party should be in comatose? Voice maintain maybe as you. Adena your friend is sa nkrofo yi a omo etu omo anu si doctor so yi make herself suffer we be can say Kodua Ken and Nanapo. As far as he's concerned, meaning baby ono mkoshia omo ton 2024 elections no ama NDC. Meaning, sir, if you are aware of this, basically,
yeah, I heard it.
Nobody has come out to debunk that, but nobody is talking about it. And this same person has the guts to go run campaign and say, "Yan to Abamano." Somebody who said, the MPP lost the election in 2022. Voice 2022, did we have any presidential candidate?
No.
We didn't have a presidential candidate in 2022.
Debbie.
Meanwhile, we see a lose election in 2022. But 2023, this same person was campaigning, say, Yamane me lead party into elections. And then, some video here about and Kofoika said they were paid to do to work against Dr. Baumia's chances of becoming the president. And these same people are turning around to say, Baumia,
or you're Muslim,
and into the Antu Obama.
Or you're not in Nasunti.
Just say, voice, where is the logic here? Secondly, and as a thirdly, is the election only about creation of jobs? The economy. Sorry, is the economy only about creation of jobs?
No. Let me give you an example, my senior. You see, right now, nurses who are demonstrating that their money is not paid.
Yes.
The truth of the matter is that the money to pay them is there. The money to pay them.
Yeah, because they are financial clearance.
Of course. So the reason they are not being paid is because government wants to control inflation. If you give more people money, their purchasing power increases.
Yes.
Then inflation is going up. So government of Ghana deliberately has taken away over 50 billion cedis from the system. That is why they don't want to pay them. They want them to relax more. So it's not all about a job creation, as you said. Can you go ahead?
You see the point? Because I've seen some of them, the economy, broad. And so I've seen these people who are aspiring to become flag bearers. Most of them are talking about our great jobs, especially one of them. I don't want to make him popular. Our great jobs. Now, is the economy only about creation of jobs? What is his policy about GhanaNsem stopping? What are his policies about other sectors of the economy? I know they are not telling Ghanaians any of these. And one say make creative jobs. Jobs as to how they are going to create it, and also quite problematic. How are they going to create it? They are not telling us.
So 7,000 workers in can create jobs.
Now you can't say your friend is a Jospon. How many workers are just one? Zoom Lion.
Yeah.
Do you know how many people he employs?
To bring Komu.
I don't get it. Now, do you know Dangote? Do you know the number of people he employs? One single policy. Baumia, a dajun home de buy. Mobile by your friends, so you're not going to buy crap. Otimi,
he's the one who awarded the contract and got it done. So
and I make sure say what they say no can put na edi buy na say onu watimi I implement ya ma na successful. I create about 800,000 jobs.
Yeah.
Mobile money interoperability nkwa.
Yeah.
And nkwa.
Yeah.
And how do you compare with 7,000 jobs now and look phantom jobs? Because where's the evidence? Can't we easily find out from SNET how many people this guy employs? It is easily. It can be easily be cross-checked from SNET. Meaning why we are not doing that and or to and or peddle this kind of falsehood. Just like me dream one man when we say MDC for the intro, Ghana for they bought it and brought them to power. You know, means intro. Name critic apathy. Because the same apathy here party for you. It is show me one quarter bay. And one as I say you are rather adding more insults to the industry. You can't pay away. You are rather adding stubbornness to stupidity. Maybe I don't get it because a dear message. What kind of message are they carrying across? They don't have any message. They are rather creating more apathy because mentia say warm did you mean who are they? So are they no longer? So we are coming. NPP is a corporate offense entity. It is a monk. Why do you want to be lead the party? And I say in the unlikely event, the crowd say you become the offense the winner. Whose achievements are you going to use to campaign?
Kwame Nkrumah, because Kwame Nkrumah is.
Oh Jesus Christ of Nazareth! Hey, it's just voice. Maintain my BSU. And the delegates as one because I did ye, and the diabetes be a drill. Suffrage ni television near Yamukoje ya, medical fear money, a fear for Teho, Ubi Okra, Ubi Koji Akoko, buy on a Quonquano Grano, Nemati or more will be intimate Kotwaba. You see the point? And one of Mugusa say Mukana and I did. It's elections in Ghana now about a did. And as a policy will be the baba. The whole population will benefit if it's yes, free SHS. So party will power. Policy or the baba or the put it in place. Ama wa implement ama Ghana for nyina nya so mfaso. Eno ne ye friend say, aban bi aniwa wo sori echiche sikama ye friend say timamufo no. Say obia every morning mo mesalai na monje nobody, there's no country on this earth. Your policy a wapa ne te bepa obeya wusu be nya so mfaso. Eno you then you feel proud to say party or power. That is why President Kofo says, you better say we a messenger. I will party in power than so. And he says, more na modai ya, more munyameno. Muslim party a didia muma be becasa in some moo each of them some party a didia jamu. And Tinomonco Tuabano. They say, Mobutu on Muyame. Do NDC recognize you? So who party kurano so who party did jaunti and who the year was your one kotuaba. See NDC abbey. As I say, Mumma do more quay years Monkoto, your friend is saying. Munkoto we. Bakuna boarding school. So open boarding a physical who go to any other. And have you done yourself good? Mutie ni nansa mutie nse munu fili obi ho. Obi a no say. If I say president cry be president I go chop president my foot. Then you say what the case in when your presidential material massa we need emotional intelligence. That is why ministerial you cry because we need qualification.
Me that say.
What contrast a coach brema ina boso. Other na sasika no one common grassroots for be and a contract now with no one sublet be a mom. To the sense that one castle constituency a seat you have held for 24 years, you just gave it out to no less a person than a Muslim. Why don't they ask them questions? Ask him questions. Ask him questions.
Right.
You one single seat, you couldn't bring it on board. Now, Mammy Missa, me last say, me number say where you now also contest friends. Position also contest. Doesn't the party have a deliberate policy about this? Your friends say those who are aspiring to be a SRC president, when other day.
No.
Jesus
That's a
Christ.
mistake we made, and
You
NDC
see?
took NASAG, took the
They took
SRCs,
advantage
the
of it.
nukes, and everything, and they used it against us for campaign.
You
That's
see
it.
the point?
Yeah. Don't.
Hey,
Some people, their response is
from
positive, so.
the Chama Asak myself. Do you know Chama Asak myself?
Yes.
Who is Chama Asak myself?
I say our chairman now,
Chairman team. He is the Chairman Asak myself. Right down from Chairman Asak myself to the last person at the party headquarters. They should all go because Omar fairly the party big time.
Right.
Because Mutiwa Mobia catch them say, you better mop to election. You have not come out to debunk it.
Max. Thank you. Yeah, Conscience, come in 5 minutes.
Yeah, boys, me ba we so check akra. Last year, no, I was not me a go signature.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Hey. This is my first time, I think, having you this year. I see. Welcome.
This is the first time. Yeah, now me be train one say akra. In fact, we can't keep on lamenting. We can't keep on lamenting. Some of the things we say here, and that's a lamentation, but we should have solutions to what the party is going through now. One, Kennedy Japan, the wire party, he doesn't deserve to lead the party. And I was see a team boat near GhanaNsem be seen in him straight. Or so no. Nkofo be atena so manya elevation. Senkenya MPP and Kankofo bi o hanke nim omo e Ghana. You understand? Whatever the ECOSO NPP musician, entimi nkoso NDC, Mahama for 3 consecutive elections were not any contest. From the time Professor Mills died, nobody was able to contest Mahama. And it was a deliberate thing in the NDC to stop anybody from contesting him.
Yeah. I said that Dufour was sick mentally.
Say, and no, as MPP no, yes, so new be so too much. Share me. I wish say me say Kennedy so lose this election or better on what to say they are allied. But we must sanction him. We have to know that a time came, a general secretary, 2 chairmen in the party, which is Afoko and then Sami Crab, were even suspended, but we still went ahead to win election. Now, Ken said what destroy NPP. Se CCR say yenya obi obetimi agina nanim na yakan sem bi akere na after the election crown say olusua the same thing they did in 2024 and obviously abeyebio. It is obvious to say if Ken doesn't win these elections enya dia obema NPP ho ato no. Now we have evidence. It is said that by the mouth of 2 or 3 witnesses a case is established.
Yeah.
About 3 people have come out. Is it true, say Ken, AJ 5 million, ewo, Brana Champon? We have to establish that there should be a committee to investigate some of these things that are coming up.
Exactly.
There should be a committee. Where is the national executives? There should be a committee at this moment to say, Shame say, Ebani saying Ken, EJ 5 million, ewo, Brana Champon, to do what? Two, Omwa out public. It is a public knowledge. We say no, enye sumase. This is not a recorded tape. And obia koka say, ya doctor me voice. Enye mea. Now obia is saying, people have come out to say they worked against the party in 2024. There must be an investigation into these things. The party has to investigate these things. Those people who have come out to say they worked against MPP in 2024. In what means? Is it spiritual, physical, or what? There should be a committee to investigate, to invite these people to investigate and to find out what they did. And people must be sanctioned. If we don't have executives, as a Yisra person, look, Paula Foko, and Same Crab, Kpone Japan, even when they were suspended, they didn't do anything to MPP like what Ken is doing to MPP now. Omukra no omukọ elections a national chairman when they were suspended. The last time I heard Paula Foko complain in public is recently when he went to a Bolare's program to go and establish. First time he voiced out everything they went through, including even Kpone Japan came back to work for the party. Same Crab, we never heard anything he said. Say against the NPP. Kennedy Japan has been the only single person as a ombu obia or party name. Look, Owosika, Yemfamano, or businesses, whatever it is. But the party no see a discipliner. He must be sanctioned. And now there is evidence. People have come out publicly to say, through if Ken no vote, no, they worked, and that's what the Omanu kai keke, but almost science ye Juma editia. Look, A+ came out publicly. The tape is still there. We can go for it. People must be investigated. If not so, we are joking. If not so, we are joking. Where is the party executives? Where is the Kodia? Where are they? What are they doing about some of these things that are public? What are they doing about it? So please, look, and my second issue is that internal election, it is obvious, say Dr. Baumia, Oba constituency, Ebia baby, Obepese Mubishiano, Obefroka anaba, Inti Ebia Oba, Unsua Obenom, Ebia refreshment, Ebia transportation or the bar, Obema Bibi se fire day, Fate Okasubi. And non chess and internet was also to Abama Dr. Baumia. In the same manner, if Ken come to give you 1 million, that shouldn't be the reason why you should go and vote for him. That shouldn't be the reason. Obia Obe Jessica, in the name of changing your conscience, in the name of influencing your conscience, say, because Nipa we am 1 million Ghana cedis, Nipa we am 500,000 Ghana cedis, enti na Obe kwa kotwa banamane de anyway Jimmy Sebi. Now you Jimmy for what on conscience and we a man before NPP and say we must tell people how things are. If you will be voting for somebody because the person gave you money, you must have your personal convictions as to why you are voting for this candidate or not. Ken is not a choice. Sebi Senka, Ken you be a Otimi okita that boldness and everything we claim he is now. And ko you be an kabana klano else and apology to some people in the general public. Me assure says Ken no nim say dachi obeba be contested as a president and can you maybe or no cry why in the past and konye. And konye. No. Ken a tutu NPP if NPP was to be a fowl, yesi a boy bia ne huntakra and a man yekese, and a boy bia ne huntakra and a man who yefe. If you take the peacock, it is a very beautiful bird, but if you pluck the feathers of the peacock, and that is what Ken has done to NPP. He has made the party unpopular. Now NDC can drag NPP in the mud because of Ken. Even the ones that we can't even see, public input there, we don't know. So please, delegates,
right.
If you want NPP to stand for the future, if you are voting, please, yes, Remo. And the thing is that the gap must be wide. It was say gap no white. It's not about 40-60. It's not about 45-55. No, it should be above 70. So that Ken will know, say, sebi. Without MPP, he is nothing.
Right.
If or power or to me, uncle for many party. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Long time no see. Thanks for coming back.